Introduction to Absa Bank interest rates. Absa Bank offers various interest rates on its products and services, including savings accounts, credit cards, personal loans, and home loans. Understanding these interest rates is essential to making informed financial decisions. Step 1. Understanding types of interest rates. Absa Bank has two main types of interest rates: nominal and effective interest rates. The nominal interest rate is the advertised rate, while the effective interest rate takes into account compounding interest. Step 2. Checking current interest rates. To get the most up-to-date interest rates, visit the Absa Bank website or consult with a bank representative. Interest rates are subject to change, so it is crucial to stay informed. Step 3. Calculating interest rates. The interest rate calculation depends on the product. For example, savings accounts typically earn interest, while credit cards and loans accrue interest. Use the Absa Bank interest rate calculator or consult with a financial advisor to determine the interest rate applicable to your product. Step 4. Understanding interest rate implications. High interest rates on credit products like credit cards and personal loans can increase the total cost, while high interest rates on savings products can potentially increase earnings. Consider your financial goals and risk tolerance when choosing products with varying interest rates. Step 5. Managing interest rates. To minimize interest rate implications, make timely payments on credit products, and maintain a good credit score to qualify for lower interest rates. For savings products, consider products with competitive interest rates and flexible terms. Conclusion. Absa Bank interest rates play a significant role in personal finance. By understanding the types of interest rates, checking current rates, calculating interest, and managing interest rate implications, you can make informed decisions about your financial products and services. Always review and compare interest rates before making a decision, and consult with a financial advisor if needed.